Gone are the days of beautiful penmanship, it seems. And how can we learn to have better handwriting? Is this something that's even possible for us? Well, today I'm going to share with you what I've done to really help improve my handwriting. So if this is something that you are struggling with or would love to improve, I hope you will keep watching. Really, there are many ways to improve our handwriting. There are things that we can do like print off sheets from the computer and, just practice different kinds of cursive, different fonts. This isn't something that I've done, so what I wanted to share with you today is something that I have done over the years and ever since I was younger. I couldn't wait to start taking cursive in 3rd grade. That was probably the highlight of my elementary years, was cursive and learning that. And it's something that I've taken with me ever since. I even asked my parents for a calligraphy set, and they ended up getting that for me either for Christmas or my birthday sometime, and I taught myself through the little booklet that was included how to write calligraphy. Now, I don't really write in that way anymore, although I know how to do it. It's like riding a bike for me, I feel. But I try to use more of just cursive and fancier kind of cursive for my everyday use. This is something that it's like you get your own kind of signature when it comes to your cursive lettering that doesn't have to be exactly what it was when I was in 3rd grade and learning the different types of cursive. It doesn't have to be exact, and I think sometimes people get caught up thinking it has to be a certain way, but that's not really the fun part of learning cursive. The fun part is learning how to write beautifully. And so I would encourage you to pick up a journal, something that you really love the look of, because it will want you will want to reach for it that much more if it's either in a color that you like, a pattern that you like, and just even the feeling of the outside of it. But of course, this isn't something that you have to do just to start this, but it's something I would encourage you to do. Now, I do not write every single day, but I try to write most days. And journaling has really helped me just work through a lot of my feelings, but also to improve my handwriting. I wouldn't say that I'm trying to improve my handwriting anymore, but this is something that I've done from a young child that has helped me. And even writing letters to friends, this is something that I would more or less want to do just to practice my handwriting. Of course, I love to receive a letter and read it and learn about the other person, and I love to write to those people and just share different things with them. But the most enjoyment I got out of it was just practicing my handwriting. And so passing notes as kids, and then as I got older and I no longer did that, I really took to journaling, and that has helped me just to enjoy writing. We have taken writing out of just about everything. With our devices, it's like we're trying to look for every way to do something without having to do that. But in my opinion, it takes something so special away from our generation. And it's taking something away from the next generation to not even teach them these special skills. Now, of course, if it's something that they are interested in, there are so many different tutorials about it. There are different booklets that one could get to learn these skills. But I would definitely encourage you to journal. Now, there's something very, very wonderful about journaling. You help yourself work through feelings that oftentimes I think when we have them, we are very tempted just to share them with somebody else right away. But when we have them and we write it down, it really helps us work through those feelings more and to identify which ones we would feel good about sharing with somebody else, and then the ones that maybe we've worked it out ourselves, we don't need to carry that on to somebody else, and we don't need to put it on someone else's shoulders. The other wonderful thing that it helps us do is to really understand our goals and which ones that we want to materialize. These aren't things that, just because every fleeting thought that you have about, oh, this would be fun to do, oh, that would be fun to do we need to put that out there into the world, or do we need to share that with somebody else? It's something that would be better suited for our journals. And then after a while, we can figure out that was an idea that would probably really work out, or, something that I really want to do. But not all of them are. So the more that we journal our feelings and our thoughts, the better we are at organizing our thoughts and organizing those things that we want to finally do. And this also comes into play when it comes to handwriting. Those things that we do want to work on, are we willing to put in the time that it's going to take to actually improve our handwriting? Those that have beautiful handwriting, it took a lot for them to get to the point of learning that skill. And so when we say, oh, we would love to have beautiful handwriting, would we really love it? Are we willing to put in the work that it's going to take to practice our handwriting enough to get to the point of having beautiful handwriting? So I would encourage you to look at beautiful historical papers, anything where somebody was writing, study other people's handwriting and the letters, and just get a true appreciation for the art that it is, because it's truly a lost art now. And then start identifying what different things about your handwriting you would love to improve. How would you like to make that H? And start trying over and over and over again. And even within your journal, you can practice those letters over and over again. I have changed my handwriting so many times, I can't even count. But looking back at older letters and different things that I wrote, it's very clear when different things started changing, and a lot of it happened when I had started journaling. And so that is the number one thing that I would encourage you to do, and it's beneficial for you as well, not only for your handwriting but also for your feelings and your thoughts, and for other people around you, so that other people don't have to hear all of your thoughts. Okay, that might have sounded a little bit rude, but I couldn't imagine sharing all of my thoughts with somebody else. If you've done something as an adult to improve your handwriting, please let us know that in the comments below. And if you are looking to improve your handwriting, please let me know if you are going to take up this journaling suggestion, and also what color would you choose. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that this inspired you in some way, and until next time, I hope that you all take care and have a beautiful day. Bye everyone.